we're going to get set up for a kind of bent knee boat pose. So we can start by leaning back and engaging your abdomen. Slowly lift your feet off the floor so your shins are roughly parallel, and then gently hug your knees to your chest and move them back. And we're just getting a little bit of hip flexor engagement here as we do that. Hugging in, hip flexion. Nice, and when you've had enough, just rest for a second. And then you can eventually change the position of your hands. So you can work to try to reach your arms up in front, engage the legs and hug the hip flexors in, hug in, hug in, hug in. Looks super simple. I'm sweating, it's hard work. Okay, so another thing we can do for hip flexors is find a comfortable seat. Once again, I'm going to sit up on my towel to give myself a little bit of height. And I'm going to grab one of my faithful blocks. I'm going to rest my hands on either side. I'm going to stay nice and supported in my upper body. And I'm going to slowly lift and lower the left foot up and over the block. Do this a couple of times. Keep my leg nice and straight. I'm going to rest when I'm ready to. And I'll swap legs. Lift and lower. Keeping the leg nice and straight. So really working on the quadriceps and the hip flexors here. Rest when you need to. Feel nice to kind of hug in towards the knees a little bit for a second. And then a couple of options here. We can raise the height of the block to make it a little bit more challenging, but you can also remove the support of your arms and actually have your arms reaching out in front. So again, brace the abdomen, lift and lower. So lots of ways when you're ready to continue to build up strength, if that is your goal. So lift and lower, and then when you're ready, you can do this on the opposite side. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. You will definitely know when you've had enough. Hug your knees in if that feels good. Just take a moment here to breathe. Check in to notice how you're feeling in your body, in your mind.